Hey guys, what's up? So here is my first tutorial in a long while, so I'm so sorry if I seem boring or kind of all over the place, not knowing what to say, because as I said, this is my first tutorial in a long time. I've tried to sit down so many times to film and something always goes wrong. I don't like filming with actual cameras because I hate technology with the biggest passion ever, and we're not gonna get into that. But anyways, today in this tutorial, I just show you how to get this subtle, simple, everyday glam look.
Casually hits a high note as I scratch my ear. Show you how to get this simple look. This is something I wear.
Wear this look pretty much anytime I go out and I'm too lazy. Yeah, I should stop this intro before I just keep mumbling on. And we'll get right into the look. Okay, so this is the best we could do. Alright, so always to begin my makeup, I always take a prepping spray. So my favorite one was when I went to Pennsylvania a couple months back. I picked up all 3 scents of the Mario Badescu skincare preps facial spray, I guess. I wouldn't say it's exactly labeled a prep spray, but I don't know, this shit just does something to my skin. Just makes it feel so good. So yeah, just slather your face. Whew. So I put a shit ton of moisture into my skincare routine because my skin is extremely dry, extremely dry. Next, I'm taking one of these cotton pads for your face. My Thayer's Witch Hazel Toner, which is freaking bomb. Then I am taking the Aven Eye Contour Cream. Can y'all stop being feisty with the natural light? So yeah, this. So I go underneath and up top. And then I just, with my ring finger, because it has the lightest pressure, I have been personally, for 2 years sticking to coconut oil, which makes my skin feel amazing and my makeup look even better. Well, most days. Most days. You know when you just wake up and your skin is just I'm over this? Some days my skin gets like that. Look how red I am. Oh my god. Taking my Blonde Brow Pomade by Ardell, which is actually the shit. If y'all can't afford Anastasia Dip Brow or the Kat Von D pomade, I would say this is your next best choice, and you don't have to break the bank. What's better than not breaking the bank? So I'm just building up my brows. Next I take my Makeup Forever brow pencil. Ruby Brown concealer. And with a flat shader brush, this is a Sigma F70, specifically for concealer. We are going to brow mascara. This is the Benefit Ready Set Brow. This is the clear one. The Wet n Wild Photo. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer, and I'm going to be putting this all over my face. Purposely using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation as well as the concealer. So like, since it's specifically made for this line, why not try them together? Go in with my Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Shell Ivory. Now I have foundation on, we're gonna take a damp beauty blender and push it into our skin. I don't know why too, this foundation just smells so good.
We was lucky there, lads.
I'm taking the Photo Focus concealer and using this as like a spot conceal. Next, the only place I set on my face is under my eyes and my chin. Those are the only places I find that actually come off. I don't do any other part of my face because I have very dry skin. So I'm just taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 05 Fair and setting it under my under eye. This is e.l.f.'s Bright Pink Powder Blush that I like to use on days I want to look a bit more awake. So I'm taking that on a Sephora Professional brush. Not sure, it doesn't say another number, but it looks like this. Taking my Smashbox contour kit, taking the middle shade because that is the bronzer. Second last thing we have to do is apply our highlighter. Now I am using that same highlighter from Makeup Revolution. Thing to do. I'm going to be taking, this is what I've been using for my everyday look since I bought it, the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. I don't put anything else on my lips, just coat that shit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and this is the finished look. Very bright, very girly, very glam, but also very natural.
Yes.
This video's done. I'll see y'all in the next one, which might take a while to come out because my ass is not patient with this filming bullshit, especially on a motherfucking iPhone. In reality, I'm not really patient with anything, so it's definitely not a virtue of mine. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Gonna see you guys later. follow me on social media, I follow back. You have such chunky fingers, like. Okay, I'm out.